What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is the cut day, the round of 24 that I've made it to. We got a steep cut to 12. I'm going to need to do an absolute ridiculous amount of striking here. Hopefully a better game plan of using some different reactive balls and then switching over to some of those shinier balls like a theorem that I drilled last night. So as this block progresses, I'm going to need a lot of strikes because I know everyone will be throwing a lot of strikes. I just need to catch the pace a little bit. You guys may notice I'm wearing a little bit different hoodie than I usually wear, and this time it is the Guest House podcast, which we will be releasing starting at the end of this week. Early next week, we'll release our first episode on the Guest House podcast. And with that, we got some brand new merch. These are some extra thick hoodies for that cold weather. Then we also got brand new shirts on the website for the Guest House podcast, so check those out on thehousebowling.com.
Watching.
So recapping that block, I threw it really well. It was a really big climb to make, and I definitely tried to make it, throwing a lot of different balls from a Rhino to the Archetype to the Theorem. I even switched to that Pure Madness early, the really bright colored ball that gave me the front seven that one game. I tried to do a little more of what Buttriff and Russo were doing because they were striking their faces off. So in doing that, I tried a lot of different balls. I tried a lot of different hand positions and speeds. I tried to throw it slower and get around it with that Rhino during the best 198 game of my career. And then I switched to that Pure Madness going over towards the high end, and I ended up still rotating it, throwing it slower, but kind of hooking the lane a little bit more rather than jamming it up the lane. And I saw the picture a whole lot clearer once I started to hook it. My ball struck on some pairs, still didn't strike on others, but in a building that I don't usually have a lot of success in, really good tournament for me. A top 24 finish, making a little bit of cash, bowling well, physically throwing it well, and kind of figuring out the picture a little more as the tournament goes on. Can't be ashamed with any of that. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Again, if you guys want some of this brand new house merch, you see, if you want some of this brand new, the house hoodie or the house podcast hoodie, once again, we will be coming out with an episode at the end of this week, early next week. So stay tuned, check that out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. Congrats to Matt Russo, who was staying with us this week and did make it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.